In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic reflection of any object in Photoshop. I have this image and first I will separate the background from the object. Use any selection tool to make a selection of the object. Then press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the selection. I will rename it bottle. Duplicate the bottle layer once more and rename it bottle reflection. Afterward, use Ctrl and T to transform the reflection layer. Right click and select flip vertical. Adjust the position. Right click again and choose warp. Now adjust the warp of the reflection to align it with the bottle base. Place the bottle reflection layer below the bottle layer. Select the background layer, then create a gradient adjustment layer. Choose the linear style and click to set the gradient. For the black stop, pick a dark red color from the bottle. And for the white stop, choose a light red color. Now select the bottle reflection layer and create a layer mask. Go to the toolbar, choose the gradient and select the middle gradient preset from the basics. Create a straight line of the gradient from the top to the bottom of the reflection. Then decrease the opacity slightly. Next, go to the filter menu, select blur gallery and choose tilt shift blur. Adjust the tilt shift blur as shown in this video, then click OK. After that, create a new layer above the reflection layer and rename it dark shadow. Select the brush tool, ensure the follow is at 100% and set the foreground color to black. Right click and make this 2 dot little close to make the flat brush size. Create a shadow under the bottle and reduce the opacity a bit. Create another new layer and rename it light shadow. Increase the brush size, make a shadow and set the opacity to around 50%. Now select the bottle layer and create a new layer. Choose the brush tool with default size and tap it on the bottle. Right click and create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode to multiply and reduce the opacity. And there you have this beautiful reflection ready. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.